are looking for the team that will play against National University for this collegiate conference title. And it has come down to a rubber match between the Lady Eagles of Ateneo against the Tigresses of the University of Santo Tomas. A good weekday crowd joining us and joining you wherever you may be watching the Shakey's, really the place where it all started. And over the weekend, 2 games were played, and one was won by Ateneo, and then UST said, we ain't dying here. We are crawling back. We are growling back into the series.
Yeah, I mean, it was a surprise for a lot of people, but for the UST community, really, it's such a boost to their program because, of course, we know a new coach. You know, the players are pretty young, but it's a good boost, and they played really inspired.
And Kung Fu was telling me there was no time for practice. All they did was talk about what went wrong, decided to take an early leave and just rest and prepare for the game, and they won in 4 sets in the second day. We have a number of things that both teams have to do here today. If we were to start, direct labas mo lang kung sino yung card natin dyan. If we were to talk about Ateneo, they have to get back to what brought them here to the semis.
Yeah, because they were undefeated, obviously, and they're doing things right, but they have to, learn from that loss and look positive, be positive about it, and try to focus on today's game. Forget about that game because today's game is what's important.
And Eliza Valdez said that was a learning experience. Coach Taibon did, of course, leaving in a huff after that game when he didn't want to have anything to do it at that point. Uwi na ako, ayoko na. Babay na kayong lahat. So the Lady Eagles, I heard, prepared hard over Monday and Tuesday. This is a Wednesday when we record this. So fine-tuning of a couple of things that they may have forgotten in Game 2.
Well, Game 2, what they lacked was reception. The reception really struggled. So they're really not able to do all these plays. Amy Ahumiro limited to just 3 points. And Maragino, I think just 7. So it was Eliza Valdez, although with 24 points. They have to get balanced scoring from the rest. And, as the season progresses, we are at a knockout match. Things will be different. So we need the whole team for Ateneo to step up.
It can't be all Eliza all the time. She's probably Superwoman, but
she is.
May day off then. And if we talk about UST, a phenomenal comeback, back-to-back days, yung laro na yan.
Yeah.
I like the fact that they roared back in on the second day. And there are a couple of things for UST to do here to be able to close out this series. They were not supposed to be here. Some people said, because they were at the bottom, but Arellano lost to College of St. Benilde, and Arellano said, okay, sorry, we ain't joining your party. And UST, they have to continue to play inspired here today.
Yeah, you said it. They got pretty much a free ticket, so to speak, to the semifinals. But they proved in that last game to all the doubters, to all those who talk about them that they're here to play. Then they do have to play inspired. They did that, and they really, it's so good for the tournament because normally we say bilog ang bola. Some people say hindi naman matatalo Ateneo. But look what happened. USC just played a totally different game. They raised their level and they were able to beat Ateneo, whom they haven't beaten in a long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
Now, final question before we slide into our first break. What happened in the minds of the players the last 2 days before today? Did nakatulog ba ito? Were they excited? What's the kind of mindset players have for a game like this?
Well, for both squads, I'm sure it's pretty much excitement because, what better place to play than the stage here right now to showcase their passion for volleyball. 2 sides of the story, an inspired UST, full of confidence. But Ateneo, how will they bounce back from that loss? We know that they're equipped, but we will see today.
Well said, partner. And Noreen and I will be back with your game. It's going to be UST against Ateneo here in the Shakey's League Collegiate Conference.
Presenting our national officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo. Second referee, Mr. Rodrigo Rojas. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Eagles of the Ateneo de Manila University. Let's start off with our team captain, number 2, Eliza Valdez. At number 7, Giselle Tan. Wearing jersey number 14, Bea De Leon. At number 15, Joanna Maraguinot. Number 16, Rongo My Papa, Amy Ahomiro. Number 18, Kim Hegeliana. Libero, number 8, Jarella De Jesus. Head coach, Mr. Anusorn, Coach Tai Bundit. Calling on our Tigresses of the University of Santo Tomas. Team captain is number 6, Pamela Trisha Lastimosa. Number 4, Sara Princess Verutiao. Number 8, Carmela Tunay. Number 9, Energy Laure. Number 15, Jessie Lane De Leon. Number 18, Marivic Meneses. Libero, number 11, Patricia Kim Rasmo. Head coach, Mr. Emilio Kung Fu Reyes Jr. This is match number 51, game 3 of the semifinals, a knockout match.
Kung Fu. Kala ko naman martial arts yung ano. That came later daw.
Oh.
When he was a little boy, he looked so small and chubby. He looked like a, parang logo siya ng Siopaw or something. And kids would tease him and call him Kung Fu. So, I thought, and then he later on liked martial arts. Kaya naman pala. Kala ko sa laki ng katawan, martial arts agad. But early first set, what is important for both teams?
Well, it's very important for them to start strong. Hindi na pwede ngayon yung mga diesel start, so to speak.
Yes.
You have to start strong and try to dictate the tempo of the game. You cannot allow your opponent to dictate it for you. Play your game and don't let them make you play their game.
That is such a great point. UST with a tendency to start late. In fact, in the previous battles, they won only once. The first meeting was at the top of the conference. Eliza Valdez did not play that day, and Ateneo won. And in game 1 of the series, it was a quick job done by the Lady Eagles. 3-0 win, or 4-set win in game 1 of the series. And game 2, UST winning in 4.
Well, even Steven.
Yep.
But you know, for Ateneo, since UAP last season, I think that this was their first ever loss.
Yes. If you take the continuum of their winning streak from the collegiate season, the meantime, Beroshao getting the cue, and a sloppy set. Ateneo scores the first point.
Well, Beroshao getting the start again, obviously doing wonders for UST. But yeah, in that set, medyo jitters pa rin. It's getting to her.
Yeah, and some of the pressure. And you know that Ateneo did some fine-tuning in the 2 days before today's match. And a free ball, that ball died.
Yeah, really, again, nerves, no? When you talk about this platform, this knockout match, really, the players have got to control their emotions and channel it to the positive. They cannot let their emotions get the better of them. Good serve.
And the good serve continues to be played out. The set, Ahomiro connects.
Now we talk about Amy Ahomiro at the start of the game. Really, her contributions are needed today. 3 points for her in one whole match is really unheard of. Unthinkable.
Minuscule.
Minuscule.
I like the point that you mentioned about starting strong. And the Lady Eagles are doing exactly that. Not playing patty cake, footsies, whatever, easy game at the start. They're starting out strong. Good attack by UST. And Carmela Tunay hitting hard in the middle.
Yeah, that should wake them up after that 3-point drought. That's what they did in that game 2. Combination plays because they're receiving well.
And the scoreboard going bonkers here. It is 3-1. The scoreboard of the Coliseum. It should be 3-1.
Yeah.
And they now have reset it. Valdez, but it is out.
Yeah, but you know what worked against Valdez also in game 2 was a triple man block for UST, which means we know that Valdez will go around. That coverage for UST is very essential in today's game.
And Eliza is not easily faced by defenses. In one game, she'll probably get caught, get nipped, but not 2 in a row.
Yeah.
Giselle Tan has been playing well in relief. for Gia Morado. Down the middle we go. Meneses. Almiro stretching. Valdez, there's a net touch by UST.
Yeah, very obvious. Too eager at that time.
It can be tempting. It can be tempting.
It is tempting.
Lalo na your hands are flying, you're going up, then you forget about it completely. But don't forget that Shakey's the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, another good serve.
Tough set by Verociao. Free ball by Lastimosa. You can't give Ateneo too many free balls here. Valdez caught. They reset. Valdez caught again. And it's scored by UST.
Again, a three-man block really clamping down on Eliza Valdez.
You know,
two-man block.
Kanina 3 kasi.
Oh.
Kung Fu had the chance to also coach Eliza Valdez. He was an assistant to Coach Francis sa UST high school program.
Yeah.
And there was also Kim Fajardo in that team.
That's so true.
And Dayan De Leon scores.
Yeah, Ateneo's doing a good job so far, leading 6-2 because they know that Valdez will be a marked woman. So the others, really, we talked about Ateneo's the team contribution and how important it is.
They gotta keep UST guessing here.
True.
Where will the points come from aside from Eliza? That's in the corner.
Yeah, wasn't the prettiest of hits, but Pam Lastimosa gets that corner pocket.
That is so crucial for the confidence of the captain of UST. Sometimes Pam is so transparent, you can see the frustration on her face, actually.
You said it.
Nice to see you on a Wednesday doing the V-League today.
I know, I missed this.
Rasmo getting to it with some help. Riri Meneses. De Leon. Palo ni Gatiliana. Verociao. Laure. Inside.
So both teams obviously worked on their defense, or at least talked about it, and it's working. Blocking is working for both teams.
In the meantime, there is that block. It lands. Carmela thought it was going out. It did look like it was going out.
No, she was actually hoping it was going out.
Nung nakita na niya, ay nako, sana out. Better said. Meneses.
That's another good sign for UST if you can get Meneses involved early on.
Here's an ultra-fast bike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. The wings will have to work here today. The wings, the middle, especially more so the middle. I feel there should be a lot of more action from there here today. That is inside.
Yeah, a serve. That's Meneses.
Meneses, of course, played with De Leon, Valdez, and Marikinote in the national team. As we remind you of Mikasa being our official ball here in the Shakey's V-League.
Reception moves again for Ateneo.
Here comes the attack by Laure. Last 3 points have been all USD.
That's why you gotta love this renewed USD squad, because normally if Ateneo starts strong, parang they're crawling for points, but now because of that win, their confidence really, parang they brought it from game 2.
Earlier it was 7-3, but they raised the serve, and we arrive at the technical timeout with Ateneo landing there first at 8-6. When we return, we'll have Rina Villamor with a report. The count at the technical timeout. GMA Public Affairs social media sites, both on Facebook as well as on Instagram. Go ahead, Rina.
Yes, this game will all boil down to 3 things para sa kupunan ng UST Lady Tigers: their confidence, intensity, and mental toughness all game long to be able to survive this grueling game against the Ateneo Lady Eagles. Sabi nga sa akin ni Coach Kung Fu Reyes kanina, hindi daw sila mananalo during their last game kung hindi daw sila nagtiwala sa sarili nila at hindi daw nag-step up yung mga spikers nila katulad nila Lastimosa, Tunay, Laure, Meneses, and De Leon. Na ang kwento naman sa akin ni Pam Lastimosa kanina na light training lang daw yung kanilang ginawa during the past few days para daw hindi sila mapagod going into this game. They will be offering this game para dun sa kanilang teammate na si Ren Hachero, who has an MCL surgery today on her left knee. 7, Rin?
Thank you very much. And Ateneo getting some dividends. UST Kung Fu may have thought if the ball was going out there.
It looked like it was going out.
Yeah, but those things, you'd rather hit it than
That's true.
guess.
When in doubt, get.
Get to 9-6, Bea De Leon, the Poveda High School recruit, who didn't play like a rookie, but just shone brightly. Ahumiro in a favorite spot. Tunay says, get out of the way.
Yeah, good save.
Pan to the other side. Mariganot, too long.
Yeah, but you know, I can sense right now both setters are actually struggling. You know, struggling to get that perfect set. Lahat puro short Nakita natin so far.
Parang hindi kumukonek, ano? Parang hindi pag naglulusen
Oo, hindi pa.
Yung pagsiset. Hindi pa naka-score ng porsyento na malinis Laban ng habol. Pero siya, tabi dyan. Sabi ni Pam, Tunay, laglag!
Smart tip there. Tunay has got to realize, Seb, that she is the more veteran of this USC squad and even Ateneo.
Yeah, she's the grizzled veteran. Siya ang Tunay.
Siya ang Tunay. Sa Tunay.
In the meantime, Carmela, who also had an injury in the course of the conference when she collided with a teammate. PLDT Ultrafast LTE for a happy family. Speeds up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. And Gatchaliana relishing the moment.
Yep, they'll need that also from Kim Gatchaliana. Actually taking over si Mitch Morente, a more familiar name. But Gatchaliana, so far, solid numbers for Ateneo.
10-8 is the count here. Alam mo, itama ka, either side shouldn't allow themselves to fall into a trap. Yung hahabol ka ng 7 points, 8 points. Keep the game close.
Yeah. That's right. You shouldn't let your opponent, like I said earlier, dictate the game. You play your game.
Ateneo scoring the last 2 points. It's currently 11-8. There's a Galo. Giselle couldn't capitalize. The tip. De Leon lost it.
Yeah, good read there by Amy Ahumiro. All over that.
They love Amy and Eliza. Let's listen to Kung Fu. Reyes was reminding me that he had played for Coach Emil Lontok with the USD champion teams and men's as a utility spiker. Boy, that's a face. Eliza Valdez is there. Makipagkulitan sa kala Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Judge Dindin, John Wick, and Peter. Para na sila mga young stars, ano? And the rest of the volleyball friends sa Viber public chat. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app.
Yeah, and as you were talking, or as you were saying that, Jessie De Leon with a running hit for UST.
They got dividends from a variety of sources in game 2. Even Jessie De Leon, they had Veroshao. In the meantime, this offensive thrust, Maraginot.
Maraginot with only 7 in game 2. We expect her also to have a breakout game today.
Kailangan dumoble si Maraginot to help Eliza.
Yes,
Then
yes.
Ahumiro must also be in double or close to double for Ateneo to have a better chance of winning the match. 13-9. Oh. My beef about Laure's digging is that she does not stoop down low.
Yeah.
She lifts it up na nakatayo siya I don't think she's comfortable there in the back row.
Well, that's a fact of life in volleyball. You really rotate.
And you have to stoop down low.
Yeah.
Di ba? Siya tuloy nagiging target.
Oo.
Off the fingertips, Ella De Jesus has been playing well as a libero among the top diggers. May whistle. What's the call? The ball.
Oo. That was clear. That set wasn't right.
And now Alex Cabanos in. Alex is the more seasoned and regular setter for the Tigresses. 15-9 as Joanna Maraginot is all set to serve.
Good serve.
Alex goes to Pam. Off the block.
Oh, that should be a confidence booster for Alex Cabanos. A great set. Immediately.
Alam mo talaga yung setters, if you're tied, nothing is connected, porsyento, look for somebody who will score.
That's true.
Here's Jesse's serve. Sloppy pickup by Maraguinot, who was surprised that the ball was already in her lap, actually.
Yeah. Well, so far here in this first set, Sev, no, we can see yung reception of both teams struggling. There are okay receives, but in general, struggling.
Yes. Parang excited masyado itaas yung bola.
Oo.
Yon, steady. Alyssa connects.
Well, you know she's gonna get her numbers.
And Alyssa Valdez and company are ahead 16-11 as we hit the second technical timeout. I went to school in Ateneo, but to all my friends, I'm sorry, but UST's Go Uste is the all-time most joyful cheer.
I know.
It is the most joyful. It is so simple. If you don't get it, I don't understand it.
Especially when you watch basketball. Ang dami.
Ang saya-saya.
Sabay-sabay. Ang galing.
Like last weekend when they won against UP in the meantime, last day.
Yeah, rub it in. Why don't you? Rub it in.
Sorry. 16-12. In the meantime, Carmela Tunay. Pero grabe, no? Nung run ng 2-0, nabuhay kayo.
Oh.
Here's Carmela.
Good serve.
Maraguinot. Track down. Short si Alyssa, tumama sa wrist.
Yeah. Well, she knew the set, but that set was actually very low. Thinking of too many things at that time.
Iwasan yung depensa. Baka mababa rin yung toss. 16-13. USD still in it. I was watching Ty Bundit during the warm-ups. Ang steady ng digging niya, no? Di ba? Talagang bumabalik yung bola. Nililay up niya halos sa kapaluan niya.
Oh.
Nicely done by Yakiliana. Tough set by Ella. Zigzag by Laure. Valdez dropping a message. Willie Meneses getting to it.
Another free ball. I wonder how many free balls USD has been giving.
Dami, no? Linis. Ang linis ng pagkagawa mo.
That is a perfect tip from Alyssa Valdez. Really just finding that hole behind the blockers. You can see. She realized ang layo ni Rasmo eh.
Na-Instagram pa ni Alyssa yun. Bago nakita ng buong mundo. 17-13. Lady Eagles by 4. Riri missing. Pam is rejected by Bea. Alyssa Valdez.
That's a no-no really for Alyssa. You're gonna give Alyssa a free gift?
Oh, it's Christmas approaching. And Alyssa just nailing that. Alam mo naman yung regalo. Ang laki-laki niya.
Oh.
Shakey's for fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Giselle Tan serving play. Laura's caught.
Yeah, two-man block there. Alyssa Valdez and Bea De Leon reading that perfectly.
Yung ganun, yung clenched fist at pump fist ni Bea De Leon, para siyang tennis player.
Oo.
Para siyang Sharapova o Serena Williams. In the meantime, Alex Cabanos, good set to. Ay, hindi na. Wala sa angulo papalo. Giselle. Yakiliana. Sali na rin si Kim.
Oh, using the blockers there.
Ateneo scoring the last 4 points of the set, and it's time for Kim, for Kung Fu Reyes to talk to his team.
Yan ang attitude natin. Yan ang attitude natin. Natatalo tayo. Alam na natin yan. Ganyan na kayo eh. Hindi ba natin gagawa ng paraan? Simple lang eh. Yung second ball, di mayaman. Sinubukuha. Pag kumatake tayo, wala nang kumukuha. Pag may pumalo, wala nang dumidibay sa second ball. Ganyan kayo. Pag natatalo tayo. Anong gagawin natin? Hayaan nyo maging ganyan kayo? Okay, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kailangan lang magsalita tayo, mag-usap tayo. Simpleng instruction, simulan nyo sa pag-uusap. Wala eh. Diba? susunod pa, wala na susunod.
That is so crystal clear. You know, I love him when when he speaks, it's so clear.
Yeah.
If you play for him, you better follow.
Yeah, and it's obvious that he said communication is really what is needed right now. They need to talk. Kailangan nila mag-usap.
Sakit ng UST yan, sabi niya. They lost the first set also of game 2 at 18-25. In the meantime, UST getting that down the line, and it's 2014.
Well, that's what you like coming out of a timeout. You know, you score a point, and hopefully that will boost the morale of the team. But yeah, for UST, coverage really is a problem so far.
Giselle Alaisa.
And that was a great set by Tan. The blockers didn't know who to actually guard.
Oh, take us through this in ultra fast spike. You know, hindi alam, ano?
Oh, caught unaware. But again, that started from great reception.
Well, the place where it all started, huh? 21-14. You were saying, and Lastimosa battling some nerves in that spot.
Yeah. And you know, that's I feel that as the captain of this team, you cannot really show your teammates that you have some doubts, some questions in your mind, because you're going to be the rock, the foundation of your team.
In the meantime, Myla is messing up her serve. It is 22-15.
Yeah, free gift for UST.
UST trying to send in a sub. Sandoval is going to come in for Meneses.
Yeah, Sandoval for added defense also at the back.
Ito UST. When there's tension, sigaw nyo. It's like riding the roller coaster, di ba?
Yeah.
Kakatakot di sigaw mo.
Oh.
Maraginot. Ang layo ni EJ. Mukhang malakas.
Yeah, Bea De Leon getting that set from Tan.
I really felt today that Ateneo would attack from the middle a lot.
Yeah.
Really capitalize on De Leon as well as on Ahumiro when she gets to that spot.
Yeah, they will, but they need better reception because that's where they
That'll
really...
trigger it.
Yeah, and in game 2, that's what really, cost them actually that game.
Ateneo wasting a serve, it's 23-16.
Yeah, too strong for Bea De Leon.
Here's Laure.
Great serve.
Playable. Kept alive. The point is alive. Too tight. Cortez jammed but made do. De Leon sends it over. They kept it alive. A lot of facials there. No chance for Cortez, who was hoping that it would spin closer to her, actually.
Yeah, but her reaction actually was a split second late.
Oh, that hesitation.
Yeah.
So Ateneo finds itself at set point of this first chapter.
Yep, Kim Gatiliano the serve.
The last from Bacolod. Cortez. Good stretch by Ella. Si Ella kasi good skills to begin with.
Oo.
Oh, ito na. Palo, and it is UST's point.
Yeah, Amy Ahumiro into the net. A bit too eager there.
It was so tempting
Yeah.
to finish the set at that particular in that particular sequence. Let's go with, I think this is Alex Camanos. Yes. Ganda ng pangalan niya. Alexine Ateneo bungles the reception.
Yeah, that was a great serve and ace for Alex Cabanos. So again, they're not out of it. It's still possible. We've seen a lot of weirder things.
Alex trying to be very deliberate about this serve.
Oh, the play was out.
Ayun, nakuha na rin ni Almeida sa gitna.
Good sign for Ateneo.
Lady Eagles win the first set in the same score they won the first set in game number 2 at 25-18. Shakey's Shake and Play back with your Shakey's B-League after this. Ateneo is one up in this rubber match between UST and Ateneo, and the attacks seem to be the area of difference.
Yeah, 14 as compared to 9 because blocking and aces just by 2, by 1, errors just by 1. 6 and 5, pretty decent numbers for both teams. But really, Ateneo, they're receiving better, although struggled also a bit early on in the first set, but towards the middle, they were able to come up with better reception, and Tan just able to utilize like Amy Ahomiro, Eliza Valdez. She got everyone involved.
Yep, spreading the butter around so everybody gets some fresh toast. In the meantime, USD has to work on the mental part of the game.
Yeah.
The frustration is so transparent when they are tense. It messes up their game. They have to liven up a little.
You said it right, and you know they're playing far from how they played in game 2, wherein they played really inspired volleyball. Now they're a bit sluggish, well, especially in that first set. But again, if you said it, no, same score, same output first and second game and third game, first set 18. So they're still not out of it.
Maraginot strike from the back row. Still in play. Ella, inabot. Mababa masyado. Mababa masyado yung set ni Giselle.
Yeah. Amy Ahomiro did what she could.
Hindi maganda yung coordination of eyes and the jumping, the lift and the height of the ball. There was no clean choreography.
Yeah.
1-0 UST drawing first blood here in the second set.
Oh, great serve.
Giselle adjusting in the air, and Ateneo is out of reach, down 2-0.
That was possible because Alex Cabanos with a very good serve there, really challenging the reception of Ateneo.
Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's B-League. 2-0. Ateneo taking the first set, if you just joined us, at 25-18. The rubber match winner moves on to face National University for the championship. Ateneo scores his first point off a long serve.
Yep, and some top scorers here for Ateneo. Valdez, of course, with 6. De Leon with 4. For UST, it's Pamela Simosa with 4 and Meneses with 3. Familiar names.
Tay Bondit yelling at his players. I am fascinated that they now understand each other completely.
Yeah. Oh, great dig.
Yeah. Kiliana doing it. Valdez sends it to the back row. Laure, better dig. Net touch. It is USD point.
Yep, Eliza Valdez into the net. No, that's a blocker's, that's their problem eh. When you see the ball so near, parang gusto mo sungkitin, and you end up hitting the net.
Nandito to.
Oo.
3-1. Uy, halos daliri lang yun, pero napasayaw na si Bundit nun.
Yeah.
Pwede na.
They'll take it.
Oo, daliri ang tumama, and Bea smiling over that.
Napaganda pa eh.
Napaganda. It's Giselle Tan and her serve. Laura getting to it. Cabanos to the other side. Nice set. Nice set.
Nice set, really, because just one blocker challenging that. De Leon was caught manning the middle blockers.
And this is an ultra-fast spike. Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Tama, no? Lastimosa ang Munek, no?
Oo.
Tama. So Pam makes it 4-2 as Carmela Tunay will be serving. In play, long.
Yeah. That was very obvious as soon as she hit the ball.
Ayun na. Sumusuntok na si Papay de Sailorman.
Papay. Si Papay.
Diba? Bari. What's up, Olive?
Yeah.
Hoy, alanganin. Tabla tayo. Ito na. Ito, pag hindi nag-uusap ang UST, alam mong kulang ito. Alam mo itong poise lahat itong, kailan mo isang maingay eh.
Yeah.
Mikasa, ang natatangi at kaisa-isang official ball ng Shakey's Willie. Oh. Good strike. Well done. That's Laure.
Yeah, Laure has yet to explode. She was a leading scorer for UST in Game 2. Yeah, but a bit silent here so far in Game 3.
5-4, UST in front.
Oh, the dig.
Ganlalin na dinukot kay Maraginot na yan. Maraginot and company trying to counter there. Nice drop.
Good read though by Laure. Free ball again.
Ella Giselle. Pasok, tusok. Lumipat si Maraginot sa kabila. Pasok, 5-all time.
That was a great set by Tan. Just realizing that she has to move the blockers of UST.
Yes.
Look at that, just one blocker.
Sayaw tayo. Iikot mo kayo. Kasi ang mata ng blocker hindi naman yung tao eh. Yung setter, kalahating matakan, di ba? Right eye. It's peripheral eh. Tinitingnan mo sa bayan eh. Kaya ngayon, kung ikaw yung setter, linlangin mo. Ay, short. And Bea De Leon has had problems with her serve this afternoon.
Yeah. Well, that is the Waterloo of her game. Talk about Bea De Leon. But can you imagine if she improves on it?
Yeah.
What a player she'd be.
Bea De Leon was the best player of Game 1. She had 16 points in that game. Maraginot adjusting in the air, sapul sa net.
Yeah, the set was too near the net. Look at Coach Tai giving Maraginot a piece of his mind. Just drop it over, just put it over. Parang gawan mo ng paraan.
Oo. Sayang yun. Kasi makakauna sana sa technical time. Saka the last 2 points have been scored by UST.
Oo.
Buelo yun eh.
Correct, but the middle blockers obviously struggling in terms of service.
Oo, no?
Both Bea and Bea De Leon and Marivic Meneses.
Vivi.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Mosi, Vivi. Ella makes it a set. Maraginot out. And finally, USD gets to the technical timeout. Board ahead, 8-6. International schedules. GMA News TV. Let's go to Rina Villamor.
Yes, Seb, apparently this will be the last game of Coach Tai Bundit for this conference dahil babalik daw muna siya patungong Thailand to complete his level 3 dun sa kanyang international coaching seminar, but he will be back in the country sometime October. At sabi niya nga sa akin, with or without him, the team will be able to perform well because he believes that the team has a very big heart here. What's important for them this second set is to be able to sustain their strong start. Hindi pwedeng sa una lang sila malakas. Dapat all throughout this game, malakas yung ilalaro nila. At sabi nga dito ni Eliza Valdez sa kanyang kupunan, they have to play happy and everything else will follow. Do not worry about anything else and just do what you love to do best. Those words coming from Eliza. 7 Noreen?
Ateneo getting some points courtesy of the errors of UST.
Yeah.
And I was teasing Eliza. Siguro ikaw, kaya mo na umorder sa Thai restaurant sa Bangkok. Nagkakaintindihan na kayo ng lolo mo eh.
Oo.
Sabi nga nila, sir. Ano si Eliza? Sabi nga nila, 8-all. Hirap ako umorder sa Thai restaurant. Turo lang ako ng turo.
Oo.
Another error. 3 straight mula ng technical timeout
Yeah, reception too near. Cabanos finding herself kissing the net.
Yes, indeed. Shakey's the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Let's work with Joanna Maraginot.
Good serve.
Huli sa taas ni Amy. Si Joy, sumisigaw na si Bundit.
Did you hear what Coach Tai was saying? Hit, hit, hit.
Eh, tinapik ni Eliza.
Oo. Sabi ni Eliza, ako na.
Hindi masunurin yung bata, ano Hit, hit, hit! Ayun, hinulog. Makinig tayo kay Kung Fu.
Wala mo ginagawa yung Ateneo kasi service mo sila. Ito, nag-atake. Anong ginagawa sa Ateneo? Nag-service lang. Ano sakit natin? Aaron? Wala yung mga pinaghihirapan na. Durugan na yun. Ano, natalo na lang tayo ng game doon. Di pa tayo naghihirap dito ngayon. Diba? Ganun din pala ang ending eh. Satisfy na kayo doon, okay na tayo? Basta
Don't you dare disappoint your big brother. Strikes you that way. He wants his team to dig in deep,
Yeah.
to be proud of the tradition of the school in volleyball also.
Yeah, and also remember how they won in game
Yeah,
2.
dukot kayo doon. Hugot kayo ron. Alyssa Valdez.
That was a perfect set by Giselle Tan Valdez, finding that hole in the corner pocket.
And Ateneo, since the technical timeout, has scored 5 straight points to now lead by 3.
Yeah, obviously the technical timeout did wonders for Ateneo.
Kasi doon galing yung hit, hit, hit.
Oh.
Hindi. Nag-timeout pala siya. Bago pa magkatapos nun yung hit, hit, hit.
Yeah.
Free ball. Ganda ng abot ni Ella. Mintis lang si Amy. Nice try. Blocked!
What a block. Single block coverage for Amy Ahumiro. Just reading that all over that ball.
Siguro si Tai Bundit na naglalaro sa Thailand. Siya yung unang cheerleader.
Oo.
Paligay ko. No? 12-8 ang ating bilang here. We have Piope coming in for Cabanas, the third setter that UST will use. Is the taller setter. They have games when she would start actually.
Obviously, Coach Kung Fu looking for that fourth general that will work in today's game.
Good point. 6 straight points by the Lady Eagles.
Free ball.
Good decision by Ella.
Yeah.
De Leon makes up a scamper.
Yeah, and Amy Ahumiro apologizing to Tan, who was there.
It is 12-9. PLDT Home Ultra. PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family, speeds up to 10 Mbps for as low as 999 pesos monthly. Giselle Tan, her elbow getting into the net.
Yeah. So 2 straight points for UST.
And already Giselle giving the signal at her back. Long.
Nerve setting in.
Sayang opportunity sa UST. Nakabuelo sila. Tapos they waste their serve.
Yeah.
So you feel yung ganun, nerves, no? Yips. Kung sa golf yan, yips yan.
Yips.
Oh! Travis Ace.
That was basically a free point for Ateneo. Mental lapse dun eh. For Rasmo.
14-10. Ahumiro just above the net.
Yeah.
Amy is there. Porciento time with Alyssa. Alyssa is caught. Alyssa strikes.
Boy, how many gifts will Alyssa Valdez get today? That's the second one. Clean na.
Yeah.
Kasi sabi nga niya, I can tip it. I can drop it. Why? I get these gifts that I can hit.
Oh, gusto nila pumalo ko? Okay, papaluin ko yan. 15-10. And Ahumiro with the serve. Playable. Up, yep, good call. Good call. Borderline, but good call.
Yeah.
Just when the referees see that bad spin, they'll call it.
That's true.
Nakita nilang lihis yung spin ng bola. Hindi fluid. Ganun talaga, no? Fluid.
Fluid.
Fluid. Good. Hello.
Good block though. I mean, good cover.
Mintis. Wala sa tempo, no? Eksakto yung play. Wala sa tempo. Ateneo at the second technical timeout mark ahead. 16-11. Okay, tatlong Facebook accounts ang pwedeng puntahan para sa updates tungkol sa GMA International. 17-year-old Beatrice Valdez, I'm sure, I don't know kung related siya kay Eliza, no? Tatanungin natin siguro mamaya. From Makati City is our pretty face of the game. Our Shaky is really face of the game. Box of pizza, of course, for being such. 16-11 is the count here. Giselle Tan will be serving.
Oh, good serve.
Sister of Bea Tan. Ooh, tumbling.
Yeah, Bea De Leon apologizing because she made that motion. She made a motion na parang she's gonna get it, so everybody just was watching her. So bigla hindi na kinuha. Sabi na, my fault.
And Eliza was apologetic also to Giselle because of the effort of Giselle. In the meantime, Eliza Valdez, she's just cooking right now.
Yeah, just cruising along. So far, UST, early on in the first set, they were able to get some blocks off Valdez, but not here in the second set.
First set, 25-18 in favor of the Lady Eagles. Out. Confidence problem for UST now.
Yeah. You know, that's what Coach Kung Fu was saying. They're battling themselves right now. If you look at game 2, obviously, kaya nyo. You won that, and how did you do it? So far here in game 3, ang layo ng laro ng UST.
Yes. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's V-League. Short. Last 3 points, all Ateneo. 19-12 is the count.
Yeah, UST struggling here. Right now, they can't get their offense going. Obviously, I feel with the changes in setters, or the change in setters, parang the spikers can't get the set they like.
Oh. Parang they can't settle down.
Yeah.
Rasmo keeping it in play. That is caught in the water. Meneses repeats it. Ella says, I got ya.
Oh, still alive.
Longest exchange by both sides. Porciento, Ateneo, caught.
Meneses finally gets a stop block. We gotta remember, she's like the top blocker in UAAP as well.
Yun. Wala na.
Wala.
Nagkabuhol-buhol na si Eliza ron. 19-13, 6-point lead by the Lady Eagles, who pulled away after the first technical timeout. It was 8-6 then they racked together 6 straight points, and that serve is wasted.
Boy, Coach Kung Fu really just furious with that.
Boy, wala na no? Talagang salubong na yung kilay niya. Shakey's the place to go to. No question. For fun, family, and pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. You can actually watch the NBA games with 6 different screens in the place I go to.
Yeah?
In the Shakey's I go to. In the meantime, Piope. Nicely done. But blocked. Piope says, let's try once more. Meneses. Net.
Yeah, Maraginot caught there. But so far, EJ Laura just can't seem to get through. Ateneo's got her number here in the second
Yes,
set.
indeed. In the meantime, Francisco comes in for Meneses.
Oh, this is a niece of Gerard. Francisco.
Yes, indeed. Hindi pa rin sure daw. I think Christine is hindi pa sure kung ila-line up daw siya. Sabi sa akin ni Gerard. Hopeful siya, of course.
Oh, of course.
Ahay.
Oh, good save.
Adlib ito. Back row. Mali ang take-off ni Eliza.
Oh.
Ito. Mahirap makita dun eh.
Oh, we can't.
We can see, has to see it from the side. Anyway, the call will stick.
Yeah. So, a point there for UST, down by 5.
Ang ganda ng reaction ni Budit. Oh! Oh! Kept in play. Walang coverage ang Ateneo.
And look at the relief. The reaction in EJ Lara's face. The relief after getting that point. Parang ang hirap pumuntos today.
Yes. UST has scored their last 3 points. Now trying to get some momentum going here. 20-16. And 16 will serve against 20. Francisco will do so by serving. One-handed set.
And block.
Yan, walang duda yan.
Oh, that was clean.
Sa akin duda ako doon sa yung kanina eh. Hindi kasi linis eh. Ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. PLDT Home Old Terra.
Well,
Threat pa rin si Eliza. Galing sa likod, ano?
Oh.
21-16. Carmela, she was already looking at the setter. Wala pa siyang firm contact with the ball.
And the woes of UST continues here. You know, you're right, Seven. They'll mount some sort of a rally, 1-2 points, and then all these errors.
It fizzles out.
Yeah.
With errors.
Yeah.
You're right. Hagupit na serve. Tiope from the middle. Laure is managed to get that through. Lusot.
Yeah, she's realizing in Game 3 that life is getting harder. I mean, if you compare it to Game 2. But she's got to realize, she's got to work for it, you know?
Yep. And will be so the rest of the way as she plays for UST. Maraginot. Got it.
Boy, you gotta love how she got that in. Medyo malayo yung set sa net.
Huminto pa siya eh.
Yeah.
Nag-alangan eh. Makinig tayo sa UST.
Ano yung pinanalo natin ng nakaraan, lahat di galit din. Nawala yung service natin, nawala yung karga, yung depensa nawala, yung usap natin nawala. Lahat, kung ito total natin, kung aggressiveness natin, wala. Pumunta lang kayo dito para maglaro, hindi para manalo. Sayang, nagakot pa tayo ng mas maraming tao para ipakita na magiging ganyan lang tayo, di ba? Ano nyo naman, konting kaingan. Ha? Yung mga nakalagay dyan sa mga dibdib nyo. Ipaglaban nyo yan, ha? So, yes, please.
Ramdam na ramdam mo kay Goku Reyes yung pagmamahal niya sa eskwelahan niya.
Yeah.
And he's hoping that these young ladies will catch the fire, catch the fever, the passion.
Yeah, and I like that point that he said, he's pointed out na you came here to play, not to win. Para maglaro lang, hindi para manalo.
Lalim nun, hindi hugot lang yun. Statement of fact yun.
Yeah. And you also like the fact that obviously they asked some people to come support them. And then parang he's sharing or he's venting his frustration na ganyan lang pala lalaroin nyo, naghakot pa tayo. I mean, play for the fans.
Saka sa ating paaralan, di ba? Paaralan.
Yeah.
18-23. Seb Sarmenta, Noringo, and Rino Villamor taking care of your Shakey's B-League game. Glad you're with us. This is the knockout match. Winner goes on to play National University in the finals. And it's 24-18.
Yeah, Amy Ahumiro connecting there.
NU is back in the finals. They were the losing finalist last year to FEU. They're a much better team. They got rid of FEU in 2 games. Ruby De Leon such a valuable asset.
I know.
A setter for that team. Good stretch. Becomes a set. I like Zabaldez.
Making it look really easy.
And Ateneo beginning to like this 25-18 count.
Yeah. Deja vu.
Yeah, all over again. 25-18 is the final count of the second set. The Ateneo takes a 2-0 lead. Shaky shake and play. Back with the third in a moment. Ateneo taking both sets, first two sets, with identical scores at 25-18. Any numbers that are telltale here, Noreen?
Well, basically attacks. You know, similar to what happened in the first set. Attacks went Ateneo's way. UST still struggling in terms of reception. They can't get the setter that they, the court general
that's true.
to make things happen for them. So really struggling. And I'm looking at their six now. It's Vero Zhao right now.
They're trying to bring back the miracle, the joy of game number 2, where Vero Zhao played extremely well. Well, at this point, you want to try anything that will turn the series around. It's Ateneo ahead by 2. And this is a team, a champion team, back-to-back UAAP team, champion. They don't want to let go of this and not play in the finals against NU.
Well, after that game 2 loss, speaking of Ateneo, that back to the drawing board. You did mention that Coach Tai, binugbog sila sa training. So, you know they're going to come out with a vengeance. But UST really has got to forget about the first 2 sets and play their hearts out here in the third set.
Gotta draw it in from somewhere deep inside. 1-0. Here we go again. Familiar trend. UST will fight tooth and nail in the early goings, but let go somewhere in the middle of the set. Valdez, her spike is thwarted. They reset. Touched. Check ball.
Yeah, and Coach Kung Fu obviously trying to find that 6 that will work, bringing in Cortez early on here in the third set. Cortez and Vero Zhao.
Yes, let's see if that law office will work together. They do just sound like a law office. Vero Zhao, Cortez.
Vero Zhao sounds Dutch to me.
Dutch? Sounds what?
Parang Dutch. Because there used to be a player in Netherlands named Vero Zhao.
Oh, okay.
A lady volleyball player.
Okay, I get your point. It is 2-1. And the score is 2-1, says our big scoreboard here in the middle of San Juan Flying D Arena. In the meantime, the middle, and it's Gatchaliana, I think, who's out of position.
Yeah. But if you're USD, this third set of obviously very important. You gotta go already to your middle blockers. You gotta get, all these combination plays.
Yeah, let it all hang out. Yep. Just like order everything from Shakey's. Fun, family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's, Mojos, everything. Can you imagine? Laure. Wala, no? Frustrated yung Ali.
Her struggles continue. I'm talking about EJ Laure.
She's too conscious of the blocker. She's hitting it on the way down.
Yes. She can't find her timing.
Vero Zhao trying to give it back to her. Off.
I feel right now with Laure, in the second set, Ateneo just got her number. They were blocking her. Now, she just can't seem to find her rhythm, and the sets are not consistente for her. Lagi naghahabol.
And UST bungles it, and I like your point over the fact that no one setter has done anything magical for the team this afternoon so far.
And you can see it. I mean, the difference in their set, like, it keeps the teammates, like Laure, I'm guessing, is she gonna set it low? Is she gonna set it high? They just can't seem to connect today. Well, free point for UST, a service error there.
And Cortez will be serving at 3-5. Tan chases it down. A free ball put up into the air by Gatchaliana. Meneses. Somebody doesn't know where the ball is. Valdez tips it over. Matagulo. And even that is scored upon.
Yeah. She's really making it look so easy. Yung mga drops niya.
You just have to learn, no? Binablock ka lagi ng early years mo. Anong pwede para hindi ako lagi nabablock? Eliza Valdez just bringing it all to the table here this afternoon. 6-3.
And you know when things are on the line, you know your ace player, your money man's gonna go work for it.
Laure getting something to go finally. She should lighten up no? Okay lang yan. Score.
Yep. Obviously, Lauren, right now, no, she has a battle with herself. I mean, how is she going to get through this?
Yes, good point. Speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. That's PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
And another service error by Meneses.
Kai Bundit wants to go home slowly this time around. He was in a huff when they lost last Sunday. Pero siya alanganin. Yep. USD ended up with nothing. The set was so difficult to handle. It spelled trouble, really.
Yeah.
Ateneo at the technical ceasefire ahead. Both teams being summoned to come back to the fray. Twitter accounts as well as Instagram to get B-League updates on GMA International. Rina Villamor with this report.
Yes, what went wrong for the UST Lady Tigers in that second set? Nawalan daw sila ng excitement sa paglaro. Sabi nga sa kanila ni Coach Kung Fu Reyes, sayang daw yung pinaghirapan nila in their game 2. At sabi niya nga, he's expecting that the team will play more with the right kind of attitude and play more responsible dito sa ating third set. Kailangan daw wag silang umayaw sa paglaro at kailangan palaban pa rin din daw sila. A little more confidence, communication, and more patience won't hurt the team. And more importantly, kailangan maging selfless din sila. Wag lang daw nilang isipin yung makakabuti para sa kanila. I-prioritize daw nila yung makakabuti para sa kanilang kupunan. 7, Rin.
Thanks a lot, Rina Villamor. That one was scored upon by Laure. She got it through 2 blockers. In the meantime, Jaqueliana trying to get something off a tip. No success.
Yeah.
Short. Eliza knew it.
You know that kill by Laurel, that's the set she wants Not too near the net. Tapos yung naghihintay sa taas, you know what I'm saying? So even if it's far, I mean, it came from the back She was able to get it through.
I think we should call sets like we call steaks. Medium well.
Yeah.
Yun ang gusto niya. Medium well. Oh, pasok. Maraginot on a cross court that looked impossible to score upon, but she delivers.
With the help of the net.
Oh, nga naman. 9-6. And Jaqueliana all set to unleash the ball and get it into play. We are underway at 9-6. Bereshao. Good eye.
Yeah, Ateneo just caught watching that sequence.
9-7 is the count as we remind you about Axel being our official outfitter. He's been with us since day 1 of the Shakey's Relay. Almiro!
Yeah, Coach Kung Fu not happy with that. The ball was slow You know, it was gettable, but UST just step late.
Rongo may papa. Give me a Humiro scoring. Should try it when it's fast. I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
That will be a twist of Cortez.
Into the net. You know, if you're down 2 sets and you're down in the third set, you don't want these, these errors, these little errors.
Wala na, parang nag-shutdown yung
Yes.
UST, no?
Yes.
Shutdown. I feel for Kung Fu Reyes, and he's trying so hard. In the meantime, Maraginot messing up her serve. Ang gusto mong matutunan ng team kasi aside from so many other things is your rally capability.
Yeah.
Can you regroup? Can you fight back? Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rick, Cheryl, Ara, Judge, Dindin, John Vic and Peter, and the rest of the volleyball friends of Viber Public Chat. Just go to the Public Chat tab sa inyong Viber app, search and start following your volleyball friends. At siguradong masaya ang kulitan through that up. Valdez. Nabasa ni Laure.
Yeah.
Rongo may papa.
Yeah. Good read there. Solid defense by Ateneo.
Yun. Valdez and Rongo may papa. Ahomiro. Originally.
Spell.
Huwag na.
Aiming na lang.
I had them in class once. Gretchen Ho. And then Rongo may papa. Ahomiro. This is called, ano ba? Life is unfair, di ba? In the meantime, Tunay. Too quiet, huh? Carmela. Huh?
Yeah.
Valdez.
And for UST, Meneses, supposedly in front, is now on the bench.
Ultra pass spike, ultra pass LTE for a happy family. Pagka nag-enjoy na si Eliza. And she can read you.
Yeah. Good serve.
Pero Shaw lifts it up. Tunay, caught. And look at that. Para siyang nakascore sa tennis, no?
Oh. Things going the way of Ateneo.
Too well, in fact, too well. And we will take a peek into the timeout at 14-8.
Yung gustuhan natin na gumalaw. Yung gustuhan natin na pumalaw yung bola, wala eh. Hindi ko makita sa mga mukha nyo. Kahit anong pilit natin, walang nangyayari sa galaw natin. Pilit na natin ginagawa, pero walang nagigilip ito. Bakit? Kasi nagtulog ka na kayo ng mga sarili. Hindi nga, kanina ko ba sinasabi, hindi makakatulong sa atin yan. Paano ba natin ino-overcome yan? Ibalik niyo yung kumpiyansa niyo sa sarili kasi wala namang ibang pumapalo kundi kayo na lang. Iisa lang nga nagbablock sa kanila pero pinapalo niyo sa kamay. Ha? Gawin ka rin! Okay!
Well, this was that block by Bea De Leon, a single block and no coverage for UST.
Ayon sa kasabihan, kukulang ay nakaka-score. Minsan nariri lang talaga.
Oh.
Sa gitna. Ay, sayang. Sayang, ganda ng play ng UST, ha? Ba't nabase?
Oh. Yeah, they're becoming too predictable right now. Ateneo just reading the offense of UST. The blockers, they are solid.
Yeah. I sort of like the way they hid Lastimosa. I go, oh, lulusot ito. But, you know, you're absolutely correct. The blockers alert to the ploy. Francisco. And the blocking is impeccable.
Yep.
16-8 is Ateneo setting a date with MU. Technical timeout. Then social media sites for GMA Public Affairs. I'd like you to meet the Kaponpon family, and they are our PLDT home Ultera Pon family of the game. That's Romel Bambi and Tasha Amira. That's a nice name, and the kid is wondering, and she will watch this in the future and say, I was a pretty baby. Mr. Choi Coanco in the middle, and there's the father of Bea De Leon to the right of your picture. He celebrated his birthday last Saturday, and Bea was the best player.
Yeah.
Myla Pablo was also a best player that day when they won against FEU. It was also her birthday.
Oh, yeah?
Birthday. 16-8.
Birthday.
Francisco nag-alangan. That, hindi na pagbigyan.
Yeah.
Hindi na pagbigyan. Teka, tatawagin. Kakausapin ni Pami ang referee. Si Lumer Pajarillo. Ano ba ang kaso? Touch the net? Hulog.
Parang crossing. Yeah, good call.
Crossing ng? Crossing, ano?
The right leg of
Carmela?
Parang si Lastimosa.
And it's piling up.
Yeah, you know, USD really just crumbling right now in this third set.
7 straight points by Ateneo. We came from 11-8 actually.
Wow.
Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's Relay. Tunay.
Wow, solid defense by Ateneo. Just, you know, grabe here, especially here in this third set, they really just anticipate really well.
Boy, they will need that if they go all the way against NU with the Santiago sisters, and most likely Din will be back.
Iangat lang natin yung score natin kasi wala na eh. Bumibigay na tayo. Pero kailangan, i-exit pa rin natin yung play natin. I-execute pa rin. Ha? Tulungan natin yung mga kasama natin kasi ayaw na eh. Kayo mga nasa labas, wala na yung score eh. Yun na lang ang kailangan natin. Tulungan natin yung mga sarili natin. Otherwise, iangat natin yung score natin. Go, USD.
Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Alan, Katja, Dindin, John, Vic, Peter, at ang lahat ng inyong mga volleyball friends sa Viber Public Chat. Just go to the Public Chat tab sa inyong Viber app, search and start following your volleyball friends. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra fun kulitan.
Well, 11-point lead for Ateneo. The question right now is, has USD lost its fight?
19-9 is the count here. It's been a while since USD registered a point.
Yeah. Well, Coach Kung Fu opting really to sit Marivic Meneses.
And Ateneo has its nose ahead, approaching the finish line. That is still savable.
Good save.
Nicely done. Francisco getting something in.
Yeah, and that's what Coach Kung Fu wants from Francisco, this quality points. And hopefully she's a spark plug for USD. Tall mountain to climb, but it's still possible.
In play. Laura dancing. Got it. Last 3 points have been all USD.
They're not out of it, but they've got to start now. This rally, they've got to continue that.
Sustain it.
Yes. Good serve.
Tan. Valdez with the tip. She is not even muscling the ball.
She's not even sweating.
And Gaston will see action. Pulling out Gakiliana.
Another tall player for Ateneo.
This is Pauline Gaston, as I remind you about Shakey's, the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Giselle Tan. Look good. Carmela Tunay knocking that in. It's 20-12.
Well, they need more of that. More combination plays. The reception is getting better. Right now, it's up to the offense of USC to work.
Tan. Valdez. Yes.
But when in doubt, go to your money man. Eliza Valdez scores another point for Ateneo. And up to serve.
21-12.
A serve for Eliza.
Gusto na mo ni Eliza.
Oh, no?
Ateneo trying to set a date with National University for the championship, a best of 3. Laure could be out of reach.
Well, Laura getting some points here towards the end of the third set.
gagawa ko ng tournament, palalakihin ko ang court ng volleyball.
I love that idea.
Di ba?
Mayor.
Palakihin lang. Walang lakuan. Masisira ulo ng cameraman dun, pero di ba? Ahay. Ahay, sabi ni Tay Bundit. Ano ba kayo?
Ayan, a serve there for Francisco.
Christine Francisco.
Yeah. Another good serve.
Yan na, gusto na umuwi. And De Leon scores.
Yeah, Ateneo just needs 2 points. And as you said, Sam, to meet MU in the finals.
Yun ang game na bawal naka-heels. Matatangkad ng tao ron.
Oo.
Bea and all the other people from Santiago Sisters. The meantime, USD, oh boy, not their day. And we are at match point.
Well, obviously, yung pagbubugbog ni Coach Ty worked for Ateneo.
Gaston yelling at her teammates. I would like to play a little more, but let's finish this.
Yeah.
Bad hit. Kita mo, wrist ng tumama. Gaston joining the party. Blocked. Laure off the fingertips. It is scored upon. 1 match point save.
Yeah, but they're still down by 9. USD's gotta play flawless volleyball.
Laure. Overset. Ooh. Gaston tried.
Yeah. Siyempre, alam natin may nerves involved.
Oh, confident naman yung bata.
Oo.
Sabi niya, okay, alam ko ako.
One more.
Bayan niyo ako, pagbigyan niyo ako.
Great serve.
3 ball. Hindi pa tapos ang USD.
Yeah, but it's still a comfortable 7-point lead.
Ito ba, 25-18 na naman.
Oo nga, no?
Ito na naman tayo.
Pwede.
Or 25-17. Or nasa sa USD ngayon yan.
Yeah.
Pa, 24-18.
24-18.
Ayan na. That's 4 match points save. Ateneo horsing around.
Iban niyo muna, may dandaan.
One game, ha? One game. Ha? One game, happy game. How to do. Ha?
One more.
One game, ha?
Let's go, girls. One receive.
Can do. Believe, can do. 1, 2, 3.
Bago na naman.
Oo.
Believe can do. T-shirt na naman yan. Si Kung Fu nasa dulo na. Oh. Either uwi na o may isa pang set tayo. Bahala na. Sabi ni Ella, sagwa. Tinaas.
Good chase.
Lastimosa. Ella with a better dig. Kept in play. Lakas.
Wala.
Hindi na.
19.
5 straight points by USD.
Yeah, but if you're Ateneo, you realize this rally,
Yeah, it's
you gotta
true.
go to your ace. Your money man.
Where is Eliza now?
To the back.
It is over. So unceremoniously.
Yeah, finish. Well, you know, this ends USD's journey, but you gotta give it to their program for winning Game 2. That in itself will silence all the criticizers and, you know, the doubters.
Clyde Bundit was trying to horse around with EJ Laure, but they were together in the national team.
Yeah.
So shake and play. We have a big win by Ateneo. They will go into the finals against National University. Who is our best player?
Yeah, you know, we want to talk about the court generals today, and Giselle Tan really played well. She's with Rina Villamor.
That's right, Noreen. Kasama ko ating Shakey's best player of this game. Walang iba kundi si Giselle Tan. First of all, congratulations sa Ateneo team. Giselle, I wanna ask you, can you share with us ano ba yung pinagawa sa inyo ni Coach Ty Bondit after nyo matalo in Game 2 to the UST Lady Tigers?
Actually, like, pinapahappy na lang kami. Like, he's super positive with us. Like, he doesn't get mad in training. He's super positive. He lifts up our spirit talaga kasi we were so down. And then also our teammates, nagtutulungan kami. Like, we talk to each other. Like, don't get frustrated because we can make bawi. Like, he's telling us to believe that we can win.
Let's talk about the past, present, and future. Ano yung ginawa nyo in the past na nagkamali kayo, and then your present na ginawa nyong tama for today's game, and your future plans against the Santiago sisters pag hinarap nyo na ang NU Bulldogs in the finals?
I guess it's up to Coach Ty. He's gonna strategize again how to adjust and then how to defend really good, and then we have to really do it as a team. We have to have communication inside the court. That's it.
Of course, you work hard for this game, kaya hindi mawawala ang best player prize mo. Kasama natin ang buong team ni Giselle. Of course, kasama na rin natin ang ating Shakey's representative, si Ate Roma. Yan, congratulations. Do you want to greet and thank some of your family and friends who supported you all the way here?
Thank you for all the fans who greet naman. Hi daw kay Bea Del. Hi to Mrs. Tan and Mr. Tan. I miss you, Mr. Tan. And hi to my sisters in the States, Katrina and Angelica.
Alright, maraming salamat and congratulations and good luck in the finals. Giselle Tan for our Shakey's best player of this game. 7, Noreen.
Si Noreen tuloy. Si Rina pwedeng setter o libero.
Pwede.
Good game with Noreen. I'm glad you're back here.
I know. Miss this.
Of course, and we miss you all the time. And we love you to come back, especially for the finals when National University faces Ateneo for the championship of the Collegiate Conference of the place where it all started, the Shakey's B-League.